Hey travelers, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm your go-to guide for smarter travel and lighter living. Today's mission, trimming the fat from your packing list so you can travel lighter, faster, and happier. Ready to make packing 10 times easier? Let's dive into the 15 things you do not need to bring. Number 1. Full-size toiletries. Look, I get it, you love your shampoo. But those giant bottles, totally unnecessary. First of all, TSA liquid restrictions will just cause headaches at security. Second, most hotels, Airbnbs, and even hostels offer shampoo, soap, and sometimes even conditioner. Rather than hauling your whole bathroom cabinet, pack travel-size containers, or better yet, plan to buy cheap toiletries at your destination. Number 2. Too many shoes. Packing 3 or 4 pairs of shoes is the fastest way to bulk up your luggage. Realistically, you'll live in one comfortable pair and maybe swap to something nicer for dinners or events. Big clunky shoes are space hogs. Stick to versatile options, think comfy sneakers and 1 pair of dressy but walkable shoes. Number 3. Heavy books. I love the smell of a real book as much as anyone, but they're heavy, bulky, and take up precious space. Instead, download your must-reads to an e-reader or your phone. Apps like Kindle, Libby, or even Audible are lifesavers, and they won't make your backpack feel like you're carrying a brick. Number 4. Bulky towels. You do not need a big fluffy towel from home, I promise. Hotels and hostels almost always provide towels. If you're camping or staying somewhere rustic, bring a lightweight microfiber towel. They pack down small, dry fast, and won't stink up your bag. Number 5. Expensive jewelry. Wearing expensive jewelry while traveling is basically an open invitation for trouble. You risk losing it, damaging it, or becoming a target for theft. Stick to cheap, non-sentimental accessories, or better yet, skip them altogether. You're there to make memories, not to stage a photo shoot. Number 6. Hair tools, like straighteners and curlers. I get it, you want great hair for the gram. But dragging along your blow dryer, flat iron, and curling wand is overkill. Not only do they eat up precious space, but different countries have different voltage systems. Unless you want a smoking disaster on your first morning abroad, it's safer to leave the tools at home. Go for simple hairstyles or check if your hotel provides a hairdryer. Number 7. Just-in-case outfits. You know the ones. The sparkly dress, just in case you go clubbing. The heavy boots, just in case you hike. If it's a maybe, it's a no. Stick to clothing that you know you'll wear, pieces you're comfortable in, and that mix and match easily. Planning outfits ahead saves you so much stress and suitcase space. Number 8. Large camera gear. If you're not a professional photographer, ditch the giant DSLR and all the lenses. Today's smartphones take incredible photos and videos. A heavy camera bag slows you down, makes you a theft target, and frankly, adds stress. Pack a mini tripod or a clip-on lens if you want to up your photo game without the weight. Number 9. Snacks for every day. Yes, having a granola bar for a long travel day is smart, but packing a full week's worth of snacks? Overkill. Wherever you're going, there will be grocery stores and cafes. Save your luggage space for essentials, and enjoy sampling local snacks instead. That's half the fun of travel. Number 10. Heavy jackets. Unless you're headed to a destination that's freezing cold, leave the bulky winter jacket at home. Instead, dress smart with lightweight layers. A thermal shirt, a hoodie, and a thin waterproof shell. Layering is warmer, more versatile, and much easier to pack. Number 11. Duplicate tech. You do not need your phone, tablet, Kindle, laptop, and GoPro all packed for one trip. Tech items and all their chargers add up and weight fast. Decide what's truly essential based on your trip. For most travelers, a phone and maybe a lightweight tablet are more than enough. Number 12. Travel-sized sewing kits. Those tiny sewing kits people love throwing into their suitcase just in case. Honestly, unless you're traveling for a wedding or a high-profile event, a popped button won't ruin your trip. At worst, you'll find a cheap tailor or pick up a safety pin locally. Save the space. Number 13. Guidebooks. Printed guidebooks are bulky, heavy, and often outdated. Instead, download offline maps, city guides, and language apps before you leave. You'll have updated info, real-time reviews, and way less weight in your day bag. Number 14, multiple purses or backpacks. It's tempting to match your bag to every outfit, but resist. One functional day bag or crossbody is all you need. Choose something neutral, secure, and big enough to hold essentials like your wallet, phone, and passport. Number 15, fancy outfits for every day. If you're not attending multiple black tie events, leave the high heels and cocktail dresses at home. For most trips, comfy, casual, versatile clothes are your best friend. Trust me, nobody cares if you're repeating outfits in your travel pics. And there you have it, 15 things you'll be glad you didn't pack. Travel lighter, move faster, and spend your energy exploring, not dragging a giant suitcase around. If you found this list helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more travel tips, and tell me in the comments, what's the weirdest thing you regretted packing? See you in the next video, and remember, adventure favors the light packers.